In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install a text editor. But just before we download and install our text editor, I want to show you some of the different text editors we have. So right now I am in my browser and I'll just come here to Google and then I'll write text editors for HTML. You can see it here. And when I click here, you can see a list of the text editors we can use to learn HTML. You can use to code our HTML. So you can see we have Notepad++, Notepad, Sublime Text, Como Edit, and a lot of them. But like I said in the previous video, we are going to be making use of this one here, Atom. And it's not because Atom is the best, it's just because I am more comfortable using Atom and Visual Studio Code. So we are going to be making use of this Atom. So to download Atom, just come here and type Atom Text Editor. You can see it. Just click on it and it's going to bring you here. And there are different links here. You can try them, but just come to this first link, Atom Editor. Click on this first one. And it's going to open up for you and bring you to this site. Then here you can see this is the recent release 1.63. So I'll just click on download. And when I click on download, it's going to be bringing me into this page. So here you just need to scroll down. You can see a lot of files here. Just scroll down to this one where you see Atom Setup. And then you can see this file here. So come to this one and click on it. And once you click on it, you can see that your file download has commenced. And let me just click here and you can see our download is in progress. And this is not going to take much time. So let's just wait for this download to be complete and then we install it on our PC. Alright, so you can see that my download has been completed. So I'll click here to access it in the download directory. So you can see it here. So to install this Atom software now, I just need to double click on it. And you can see that Atom is being installed. It will be launched once it is done. So this process is not going to take long. We just need to wait a little bit and then Atom will be installed on our PC. Alright, so Atom has been successfully installed and launched on my PC. So I had to pause this video for this installation to be complete because it was taking time. So depending on your system specification, like the processor type and speed, it's going to install fast, but for mine it took like 1 minute for my installation to be complete. So now you can see we are in Atom and you can see all these things here are prompts. We don't really need them, so I'll just come here to the top and I'll cancel the welcome guide. I'll cancel all this and now you can see we are in our Atom. And the next thing here would be to start creating HTML files and then start coding our website, which is what we are going to be doing in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video.